Come on, Donnie, we gotta go break the S14 in.
Break it in?
Yeah, let's go.
Where are we breaking it in at?
Damn.
My goodness. It looks damn good.
That looks so good.
Did you hit a curb?
What?
Did you hit a curb?
Why, does it look like it?
A little bit.
Oh, that wasn't me.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Why are you laughing so much for?
Open the damn door.
Oh my god. Why are you still laughing?
That's funny.
What's so funny?
The wheel is destroyed, dude. Why is it destroyed? That's fucked up.
Oh my god, Donald.
The wheel is total.
Man, K's are slow as hell.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, there it is, boys. First nugget run. She broke it in.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Oh no! I'm so sorry. She got too much torque for you.
This guy loves doing pulls with hot coffee.
I'm so sorry. Oh, you're good. Honestly, it drives pretty damn good though.
Hell no. These springs are terrible.
Those freaking birds are back, dude.
The hunt is on.
So yesterday, I got my very first S14 Kouki. I love the car, and you guys saw it in yesterday's video. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go watch it, or else this won't make sense. So today, since we have a little bit of time, I'd love to kind of do a walk around and go through the car so you guys can get a better idea of what the whole thing is, well, kind of about.
Let's show them what it's about.
Let's go. Let's start with the perks, right? The car is pretty untouched, but as you can see, it's kind of slammed on its butt with some wheels on it, right? Not my style of stance. It's got some weird lean going on here. Like someone aired out the rear, but
Left the front
left
completely
the front.
up.
Yeah. But the wheels on here are worth some money, so we can sell those, get some money back. And the coils on it are like brand new BCs. They just have like crazy springs in them, so we changed the springs out, mint new BCs, which is what I would have put in the car anyways. It's good. Can't beat
Just
that.
springs.
Just
Easy.
springs. And besides that, it has OEM Kouki side skirts, which were already color matched, which is really nice. So that's one less thing we got to source, because that's probably what I would have went with anyway. So
Woulda went with.
woulda went with. Would have. That's what I would have got. All right. So I'm happy. That's one less thing. So I would say that's kind of like the only perks about the car. Besides that, it's just completely stock, which I guess is a perk.
It's a perk, yeah.
It's a perk. This car is old. It's 23 years old. It has high miles. I think it's like 250 something thousand miles. The thing was driven, and so, you know, it does show. This isn't a gem. It's a nice ass car for what it is, but it's not a gem. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I paid a lot of money for this car. Usually, I feel like every time I get a car, I always say I got a great deal. That's always the line, right?
Yeah.
And I usually can only honestly buy cars if it's a crazy deal and it pops up, and that's really how we keep this whole thing going. But I had a mission to find an S14, and I was going crazy. This one popped up, and it just met the specifications best, and well, I had to pay the pandemic premium, as we call it. So it makes me a little bit more picky with the car than I usually would be, but so be it. The thing definitely shows its age, right? It's very denty, it's very dingy. I know as soon as Brian looks at this car, he's gonna find 400 more things that I missed. I just don't want to hear it. So Brian, if you're watching this video,
shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. But the car's super straight, right? Everything lines up. The front end is beautiful, which is huge because that's what like makes this car, right? Give him the angle. Give him the angle. Check it out. Every Instagram post is gonna be like right there. That's it. That's
I think a little lower, but okay.
Yeah. That's it. Underneath, it is completely rust-free, which is honestly, it's kind of all you can ask for in the 240 world, right? A rust-free shell is just
Ain't easy to come by.
ain't easy to come by, and well, this is it. So she got some dings.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. All right.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. If you guys didn't already know, when I said this thing was stock, I meant it. Yep.
That's pretty stock.
It's one of them. Good old-fashioned KA.
That's what the kids love these days.
Definitely need another one of these things. Looks like Nissan's got another engine.
Right? It's a good
No,
heart,
so
spare.
it's nice because it is untouched, right? I love the fact that I'm gonna be the first person to really undo a bunch of these bolts. Like that's a great feeling. Like I get to be the one that soils this thing. There's nothing to it. It's a stock K. It runs great. It's super clean. It's got an ISR radiator, which is kind of nice.
If only they knew what you were gonna do to this.
Oh yeah, I keep mentioning I'm gonna do something to it. You guys will find out pretty soon. But and the engine bay paint is hideous because they don't clear it at Nissan, so it just has this like.
I think it works though. I mean.
Yeah, it kind of works with the color.
Yeah.
There's nothing too fancy here. Just happy the fact that everything's clean and stock, and you honestly can't beat that. The interior is half mint, right? The dash is uncracked, which is huge. It's got a lot of Velcro on it. Uncracked. The seats are in awesome condition. The carpet's super clean. The back seats, black plastic, headliner, it's all mint. Unfortunately, the door cards are kind of messed up. It might not look on camera, but they're pretty bad. Which kind of sucks because they're super expensive, but hopefully we could find a set. And then the center console is also kind of jacked up. This is all cut up. This is all cut up too. And then this is just all cracked. But luckily you could still buy these new. So if I wanted to if I couldn't find them and I wanted the ball, I could buy them. But I think I should be able to find all of this and some door cards, and the interior will feel beautiful.
Literally around like $500 you could replace all that trim wise, which is not bad. It is bad, but you can get it.
But it's nice knowing that you could buy it, but I don't know if I'd ever spend that. But throw a Nardi in here, and we're chilling, all right? That's it. So, can't beat stock interior. When's the last time you've seen stock formats? Not chewed up.
Not bad.
Not bad. Nice.
I don't know what kind of insolent that is, but we'll just leave that there. Some synthetic. James, I heard you got a tranny in the trunk. Pop this thing.
There's just showman in there.
You need the key.
Look at that. Good old-fashioned KE transmission. So I'm actually kind of hyped about this. KE trannies, kind of getting hard to find. I hate saying that shit because I don't want to scare anyone.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want the prices to go up.
Wish you didn't say that, but.
But yeah, so I'll happily take as many as I can get. We have an LSD for it, which is dope, because the car's gonna need it. He's got an open diff right now, which just kind of feels sketchy. And then he gave me a brand new set of rear hubs because he said they were making a little bit of noise. So.
Oh yeah.
These are easy to change, so I'm happy they're new. So. Can't beat that. Besides that, I mean, I don't know what else. Is there anything else you see about this thing you're gonna talk about?
Blast pipes, those have
they heard those things.
Yeah, we gotta get rid of those.
Those are gone.
Gone.
So besides that, I mean, this is it. This is my Kouki S14. It's definitely no 10, but she's a good girl.
Yeah.
She's a good girl.
To everyone that told you would never be nothing, James.
As I'm borrowing one of Elsie's wheels, because, oh, baby.
No.
She's something here.
Put that back and go grab. You can grab one.
You think I should?
Yes. Are you fucking
Okay.
kidding
Well,
me?
first off, the gold's kind of cool.
Stupid.
But we could do better than this.
We could do better. Return those.
Get out of here. Nothing to see here, boys.
That's a big boy. Jeez.
I don't think it's gonna fit in here. This is for his S15.
Oh my gosh.
Hit it like that. Give it a little bit of a...
Like 8 degrees.
Yeah, ooh. There we go.
Oh my.
Damn, look how hard this looks. Like, siege, look at this right here. Sheesh.
I'm too poor to even look at that.
My wallet screaming.
Does that make you want to do bad decisions or what?
Look at this, dude.
Looks like you push a whole lot of something with these on there. Oh my gosh.
More than I can afford, pal.
Dude, no, don't take them off.
No. But I do have to raise this thing because it's just way too low for transport. The front is like monster trucking, but the rear was just...
It was pretty tough.
It was pretty tough, yeah.
Could be better, you know? I didn't even know they made 4-inch spacers. That's crazy.
Insane, right? Let's see if that was enough. Honestly, it'll probably look better even if it's jacked up, you know?
You know?
That looks a lot better. At least it's like uniform, you know? You know? These things are tight. Never would have thought the first mod I do to a car is raise it. Times have changed, Donald.
Yeah, times have changed, unfortunately.
Alright, we're good there. But I mean, look how clean this thing is. I mean, it's filthy, but it's not, there's no surface rust, there's nothing.
How's it coming, James?
Yeah, good enough.
Good?
Yeah.
That's great.
Let's drop her down.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I mean, it's not
Beautiful.
pretty ugly, but
Tripping over so much.
there's so much junk here. It's more presentable now. Not bad. We'll get some new wheels on this thing ASAP and change the look up, because it's never fun when you're rocking the old owner's look.
Can't do that.
Can't do that.
Can't do that.
Yo, Marco, where'd Donnie go?
I don't know. He was helping me with the fuel tank, and then I don't. Oh, there he is.
Oh, Donnie.
What are you doing?
Quit messing around.
I'm just thinking that.
So we don't have too much time or resources, I guess, right now to really do anything to the car. But one thing I want to do before we leave is I want to remove the pinstripe, because hopefully, if I'm lucky, I will get a good old showman wash down on this thing.
Yeah, for sure.
You gonna get me right?
Yeah, it gets polished up and, you know, brand new again.
I think a polish will look pretty good on this
Yeah,
thing.
for sure. Paint's really cool.
So the pinstripe, luckily, is just vinyl, which I'm surprised no one has been tempted to peel this off in the last however long. You want to do the honors?
Can I?
It's gonna be so satisfying.
I see someone else. I'll do a little bit and then, you know.
Yeah, you got this.
Ooh. I thought you liked the pinstripe.
I mean, like, it's cool, but
There's no going back.
I mean, there is. Go to AutoZone, pick up some pinstripe. Oh, that's so good. So, as obviously you can see there's like some residue around it, and the color's slightly different, but I think once Shulman gives it a good polishing, it should all go away, and I'm gonna take advantage of the opportunity. Come on.
Now walk it.
I mean, the pinstripe is cool, but it's like one of those things that like
Just save
it still looks better without it.
Save it in case you want to put it back on.
Yeah, that's how that works. Yeah. You probably can't tell a single difference on camera, but in person, it makes everything look a lot cleaner without it.
No, yeah, it cleans it up nice.
What do you think, Shulman?
Yeah, I agree. Way better.
You don't like the pinstripe?
No, not really.
Pinstripe.
No, it's good.
All right, let's just continue and hope that none of this is cleared over and it can all come off, because I did not check that initially. Oh, love that.
Ooh. These pinstripes kind of suck. They're not on very good.
Yep, don't regret that. That looks awesome.
Showman with the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce.
No more nastiness.
Like, I see them for the pinstripe. It wasn't a bad look, but it wasn't my look.
It's a look, but yeah. Fuck that look.
You're gonna see where it was for a little bit,
A little
but you gotta polish
sunshine.
it out and it'll be good.
So satisfying.
Ooh!
Damn it.
Oh.
I got greedy.
Leave it in the comments below if we should leave the pinstripe or not. or put it back up.
All right, so we got all the glue off from the pinstripes. There's a bunch of glue around the arches too from some old trim. Got it all off, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it cleaned it up quite a bit. I'm really happy. You know, this is like kind of the fun stuff on cars, the little stuff that over time really starts to transform a car, right? Do a bunch of little things, all of a sudden the thing just looks amazing.
It's a big, yeah.
So step one, later pinstriping. So, man, I'm pumped. So this thing, we are not driving up to Connecticut.
Thankfully.
Thankfully. This is just not something I want to drive up there. More or less, I just want a million more rock chips, and honestly, I hate that drive. So this will be getting shipped up to Connecticut in a couple weeks. Unfortunately, we can't just dive right into it, but once it shows up, we are jumping into it. And I'm gonna try and get a couple parts lined up for it, because I just want to see it with a different look on the outside. Maybe get some rear spats, definitely change the wheels, make it feel like mine, and we're gonna jump right into this project. And I'm very excited.
Y'all don't even know what's about to happen to this thing.
I'm so hyped. But luckily, getting it shipped up gives me a couple weeks to just finalize the Skyline, so we don't have like too much going on at once. So the Skyline should come together quickly when we show up back to Connecticut, which we're leaving tomorrow morning. We have a bunch of parts waiting for us, hopefully. I hope they showed up. And we could jump right into that and get a bunch of stuff done. So very freaking hyped. Anything?
I was gonna say something, but then I forgot.
It's crazy how this thing kind of looks gold on camera, and the sunset is really making it look gold. But then in the sun, it looks really green. And right now, look how olive this looks right now.
It's very majestic.
Oh, I'm obsessed with this color, dude. I could stare at this car for way too long. I knew you were in here. What do we have here, Adam?
You want a steering wheel?
I was supposed to get one.
Do you want a signed one? I bet you don't.
I'll get it without.
Tell me what you think about the leather and what you think about the suede. I don't know if you felt.
Okay, so the suede feels amazing. I've never been a suede guy, and you know that. You've always been a suede guy. You've always loved suede steering wheels. I like how they feel tough but soft. You know, good balance. But perforated leather is always my wave.
And it's good, isn't it?
It's really, really good. I'm actually really impressed with these. So I'm gonna have to confiscate one of these, kid.
So technically we're sold out, but I have like 3 set aside for myself, and you can take one.
I appreciate that. Oh, these are so cool. You guys know how to get these. Oh, well, there happens to be 4 steering wheels right here, Adam.
No, these are signed. These aren't for you.
I want to sign one. Thank you.
They're in Tanner.
What?
It's a long story. Look, no one's ever seen inside a Tanner before. Big secret. For you, sir.
Thank you. All right. Come back here. This video has been just me talking this whole time. So.
Pull me in. Okay.
All right. So we were gonna leave tomorrow morning, but Adam convinced me to stay till Sunday because there's a drift event on Saturday, which is sick. So I want to drive. I'm fiending too, and he said I could drive the Z. So.
I'm fiending too.
So, and then. Where was I going with this? And then there's a couple S14 parts I found that I want to pick up tomorrow. If we can manage to get that done, if things line up correctly, because I probably won't find them in Connecticut. So if I can get them now and shove them in the car, big win.
Save money.
Save money, save time, save hassle. Same hassle.
Save Apple. Who the fuck is Save Apple?
Save money, save time,
Save Apple.
Yeah, and honestly, Mike, he just wouldn't stop just begging me to stay. Like, he just wouldn't leave me alone.
I miss Jimmy so much.
So
It was good seeing him.
your haircut looks good, by the way, man.
Thank you.
So we're staying until Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's just me talking. We have the S14. It's not perfect, but we're gonna make it awesome, and I love it, and I'm super excited for it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Donald.
Have a great night.